Rise Again. A Journey to Self-Discipline and Success. Chapter 1. The Silent Battle Within. Every morning, before the world even notices you, there is a quiet battle happening inside your mind. One voice whispers, stay comfortable. You deserve rest. Another voice pushes, get up. Your future depends on it. This battle is universal. Whether you're in Sydney, Melbourne, or a small town in Australia, success always begins in the mind. The truth is simple. Your life changes the moment you decide not to give up on yourself. Chapter 2. Comfort is the enemy. Australia is known for its relaxed lifestyle. Beaches, barbecues, and a balanced way of living. But comfort, when uncontrolled, becomes dangerous. Comfort can slowly kill ambition. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I still have time. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into years. And one day, you wake up realizing, you stayed busy, but you didn't move forward. Growth only happens when you step outside your comfort zone. Chapter 3. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline, that's what builds your future. On days when you feel tired. On days when nothing makes sense. On days when quitting feels easier. Discipline is what keeps you going. Successful people in Australia, entrepreneurs, students, athletes, they don't rely on feeling good. They rely on doing what must be done, even when they don't feel like it. Chapter 4. The 30-Day Transformation. Imagine this. You wake up early. You focus on your goals. You avoid distractions. You take action every single day. Now imagine doing this for 30 days. Your life would change, not because of luck, but because of consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create massive results. Start simple. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Learn one new skill daily. Reduce social media time. Take action on your goals. Do this for 30 days, and you won't recognize yourself anymore. Chapter 5. Failure is your teacher. In Australia, people often celebrate success, but behind every success story is failure. You will fail. You will make mistakes. You will feel like quitting. But failure is not the end. It's feedback. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Every setback prepares you for a comeback. Remember, the only real failure is giving up. Chapter 6. Build your identity. Stop saying, I want to be successful. Start saying, I am becoming successful. Your identity shapes your actions. If you believe you are lazy, you will act lazy. If you believe you are disciplined, you will act disciplined. Change your identity. Right pointing arrow change your life. Chapter 7. The future is watching you. Think about your future self 5 years from now. Where will you be? Will you be proud? Or will you regret not starting today? Every decision you make today is creating your future. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. dash dash dash. Hash hash asterisk asterisk final message. Rise again asterisk asterisk. No matter where you are right now, struggling, confused, or lost, you still have time. You can rise again. Start small. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Because one day, your story will inspire others. And it will all begin with one decision. The decision to not give up. Asterisk asterisk. Dash dash dash. Hash hash asterisk asterisk your challenge asterisk asterisk. For the next 30 days. Take action daily. Asterisk avoid excuses. Focus on growth. Stay disciplined. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Asterisk asterisk. Dash dash dash. You are stronger than you think. You are closer than you feel. Now rise and take control of your life. Asterisk asterisk. Dash dash dash. Hash hash headphone. Listen and grow with Audio Ascend. If this message inspired you, take the next step in your journey. Subscribe to asterisk asterisk Audio Ascend asterisk asterisk, your destination for powerful audiobooks, motivation, and life-changing ideas. Bell new content every week. Studio microphone simple, powerful, human. Storytelling. Rocket designed to help you grow every